I say, man, we got so many talented, so many powerful people amongst us that, man, I'm just saying, I'm just beaming all over because I know, even the people that's on this call right now, and I know who you are, but the work that y'all have done, man, it just does my heart so good, man, that God has brought us all together so that we can share. And so, so you just saw a sample of just one of our editors, multi-talented, Dowridge. But like I tell you, if I unleash the editors on you, boy, you will see, man, I'm telling you, just ain't enough time. But we will be highlighting the other editors and their multi-tutor talents. And so again, you know, the people who are already involved with the National Black Unity, just keep doing what you're doing. But also those who may be potential editors in the National Black Unity, get on board now. I'm going to share one thing and I'm going to shut up. Over this last weekend, some of y'all know that I do commercials and stuff. So I took some clips from, I got to meet my brother. But I took some clips and now I'm beginning to send them out. And I'm going to send, most of you some of the clips that I see, because like I said, y'all see the secret clip. There's a forwarding part to it and the ending part to it, and then some of these clips going to direct editors. And what I say, I'm just giving you a tip of what I say in there, and it's the truth. The truth is,
I come to think of it, I can get you credit for the business.
Okay, I can't see them on there. I know who it is.
I don't know if you remember the Afro out of Baltimore.
Let's mute ourselves.
Okay, wait a minute.
Mute ourselves.
Okay, there you go. Yeah, but we had a clip. I think Dr. Watisha's in it, Bill Gooden, Kathleen Murphy, and Walter Murphy, and I believe Wayne Randall.
No, I'm serious because
I think Vernon is in it.
good thing you called because that just reminded me. We should be into this.
Okay, but in any case, here you go, right here. There we go. But in any case, and when I send it to you, you will see, because it's hard to explain the people in the National Black Unity. It's difficult to explain how they, but one thing I can explain is this. Now, I've been around for some years now myself, and I'm always preaching unity. We need to come together, we need to do this. But in my entire lifetime, with all of those groups and all of them, yay, let's get together and all that kind of stuff, but it never really happened until lately, till about 2 or 3 years ago, when the people of the National Black Unity News have came together. And see, we not only bonded together, but it's like family to me now. And the love that I see now amongst yourselves, sharing each other. But there is something that I'm trying to tell the other editors that you miss so much. Because if you show up on a consistent basis on these type of calls and platforms such as this, then you get to know some of the other editors, and you will quickly find that you will never walk alone, man. Because these people that is involved with this publication, man, they're full of love. They are giving people, but most they're very supportive. And that's what that letter I'm sending out to all the editors and the ones who got really slack in some areas. But I'm sending them a personal